Good day, sister. Hope you're good. So today, it's a number pattern. So number pattern. So number pattern, number patterns. Ne? So now in grade 9, there are two types of number pattern that we're gonna talk about. Ne? There are two types of number pattern that you want to talk about for grade 9. The first one is it's numeric pattern. Ya bobedi ke geometric pattern. Ne? Now these two, so they've got their own differences. Ne? So in numeric pattern, go to numeric pattern, it is a straight pattern. Ne? Like you can, that's where you find in numeric pattern. Ne? In numeric pattern, and I'm actually being what? A constant difference. Ne? It's not a constant difference by D. That means it is shown by letter D. Ne? Any letter G. Oh, it can always be D. So now in numeric pattern, and constant difference. Constant difference in number constant difference in simple terms. Ne? Constant difference is same number being added or subtracted to form a sequence. Same number, hence very a constant here, because total constant ring iponahatsa ka tsela tshwana means ya tshwana on every term. Same means phapang pakeng tsa di-term ya tshwana. The difference ke minus. The difference ke minus between the difference between the two terms. Ne? The difference between two terms is ya tshwana. Which one from term number 1 to term number 2. Between difference between 1 and 2 ke bokae? Ke 1. Chin phapang pakeng tsa 1 le 2 ke 1. Phapang tsa pakeng tsa 2 le 3 ke 1. Which means the difference between 2 and 3 ke 1. Ke number le hore ke number efeng le hore ya shorta hore re tlohe from 2 ho ya ho 3 ke 1. Which means we short with 1 value for us to say 2 plus 1 ke 3. Or 3 minus 2 ke 1. That is the difference between 3 and 2. Keep going. Ke kind of difference ke minus which means the difference between 3 and 2 ke 1. Hence we say 3 minus 1 ke 2. Which means until when I 3 and 2 ke 1 value fair, which is this one. That's how we define a constant difference in this case. Now same number being added or subtracted to form a new sequence, or to form just a new sequence. Ne? So now this number mohlala, if really I don't know you're gonna see this color. Ne? If really 1, 2, 3, whatever, get another 1, 2 and 3. Ne? Another 1, 2, 3. Ne? What do you want? If you know 1, 2, 3 tsa rona, ne? You just check the difference between 2 and 1, and that difference should be common, should be constant. Tell constant ke loreng ya tshwana. E constant means e pheta ke yona le reng ra ifumana ka karabo hangata ya tshwana ka karabo ya rona. That's a constant difference. The difference ke minus. That means the difference between 2 and 1 ke bokae? Ke 1. Which means 2 minus 1 ke 1. But 1 plus 1 ke 2. the difference between term number 2 and term number 3 is 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1. Hence, same number being added or subtracted. It means if how to the left, if how about a constant difference, how minus how add the term it's a page. If I color from this sequence here 1, 2, and 3, give a constant difference. Yeah, this sequence. If you can say rule your subtraction, you term number 2 minus term number 1, and just bigger term number 3 minus term number 2. I work. You should term number 2 minus term number 1. Give guy 2 minus 1. Give guy 1. Term number 3 minus term number 2. Give guy 3 minus 2. Give guy 1. When the common 1, which means 1 repeats a constant difference. This is our constant difference 1, because it repeats a constant. It keeps on reoccurring. A repeat in our sequence. And why plus added? And you whatever if our 1 is our constant difference, that means 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Hence, same number being added. Which means I keeps on adding 1 with my 2. I keeps on adding 1 with 2 give my 3. So 4, 5, 6. That's how addition is said. That's how subtraction is said. But when you can keep on we say this formula about a constant difference in numeric sequence, or term number 2 minus term number 1 give 1. Term number 3 minus term number 2 give 1. That's how you find the constant difference. I hope you can hear me. Now, let's go to the next part of this pattern, numeric. So, in numeric pattern, general term or general formula. In numeric sequence, general formula. So now, it's simple. Okay, term number Tn for term number is equals to an plus b, and here where in a our constant difference, common difference, where in our b is just a number, it's a constant or a number, where in our n our term number in our sequence. I hope you can hear me. That's how this is the general formula. So general formula is Tn is equals to an plus b, where in Tn is the term number. So the term number 1 T1 more. Give guy T1 T2 give guy T2 and now T2 T3 term number 3 give guy T3, which will be term number. I believe the number it will depend on as long as if sequence 2, 4, 6 T1 couple term number 1 give guy T2, term number 2 give guy T4, term number 3 give guy T6. I have to do this one. This Tn thing represents term number, and any other give guy number, term number, term give guy, T for term and n for number, term number. Any other if you like in term guy, give guy term, give guy term, and term give guy, term 6, number give guy, term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, and term number 1 give 2. I hope you can hear me in that part. Let's for example, so if you want sequence is on sequence, the numeric pattern. Numeric pattern is very simple. So now in numeric pattern, this one, if you want sequence, maybe 3, 9, 15, 21. Our constant difference. Our constant difference in this case. How do we about constant difference? Remember, for us to know this is a numeric pattern, let's say minus a term number 2, low term number 1, with my number 2 now, low term number 3, minus term number 2 fumana number lori ya tshwana lo term number 4 minus term number 3 fumana number lori ya tshwana so term number 2 ke kae ke 9 minus difference a constant difference sense re minus term number 1 ke kae ke 3 wa bo ke kae ke 6 re qetile ka yona ke ha re term number 3 ke fe term 3 1 2 ke 15 term number 3 ona ke term number 2 ke kae ke 9 15 minus 9 ke kae ke 6 term number 4 ke 21 minus term number 3 ke kae ke 15 ke kae ke 6 what is our constant difference o shaba ke 6 that means it's constant yebo o sharp os a o sharp now hore re batle formula ona a ke re tlo batla constant difference ona re fumana ke wa nepa ke 6 the difference between the two ke kae ke 6 mo ke 6 so 9 minus 3 ke 6 15 minus 9 ke 6 29 minus 15 ke 6 ne how addition or 3 plus 6 ke 9 9 plus 6 ke 15 15 plus 6 ke 21 so addition subtraction di different tse ka tsele jwang ha o ya kwana wa minus ha o tla kwana wa plus o era tse 2 tsena o fa inana o era nana o fa inana ha ya kwana batho wa minus o inana minus inana ina minus inana ifo our constant difference ke constant difference ana ke 6 ne o ngwana formula rona ke formula rona ke tn general formula ke tn is equals to an plus b re itse a ke kae ke constant difference rona ke yona ke constant difference guys constant difference rona ke 6 n plus b potse betla go potsa bobedi betla gore batla general formula kapa general term of this sequence general formula ga tla value ya a le ya b that's our general formula e re tlo ngwana jona ne ga batla a le b and now re batla jona you just say you take any term from this sequence batla value ya batla b and just on a ya on ke 6 ga you can use any term from this sequence you can use term number 1 keep guy ke 3 and you can use term number 2 keep guy term number 2 ke 9 you can use term number 3 keep guy term number 3 ke 15 you can use term number 4 keep guy term number 4 ke 21 you can use any of the 4 to find the value b of mana our general term equation which term number can we use in any term number you can use 9 when I'm going to use 3 ne when I use 9 we test our but general term and I get use 9 now I'm going to use 3 when I use 9 we'll test our but general term ne please do that right now please ka speed if you pause a video or batla general or batla video or batla b ka term number 2 which is 9 now we use 3 term number 1 now hurry here it's when I want to get team ke 1 yabo ke team ona ke a yabo t ke 1 for term number 1 ke 3 and ke 3 ya bona ke t1 ya go ke t2 ke t3 ke t4 t1 ke t1 t2 t3 t4 ke t1 t2 t3 term number 3 term number 1 ke 3 term number 2 ke 9 term 3 ke 15 term 4 ke 21 re ngwana so t1 t2 t3 t4 wa bona ke now gore t1 mo bonang anything mo equation ya mo bonang anything mo o kenya na value le bona ke 1 aibo hohle mo bonang anything equation na o kenya 1 ha re kenya go term number 1 is equals to 6 times 1 plus b aibo mo bonang anything o kenya 1 ya ha ke kentse kena now ka left hand ka mo t1 kana t1 re tse ke kae t1 is equals to 3 mo bonang t1 teng ho qetile ho substitute mo kenya 3 ya ha ka left hand mo bonang t1 teng ke ne t1 ke kae ka mo t1 ke 3 that means mo bonang t1 teng kenya 3 ya ha ke t1 is equals to 3 kenya 3 ka left hand or 3 is equals to 6 times 1 plus b and then we say b we call like a left hand ke o 3 minus 6 and we say 6 ka nka o sala ke b ile 1 ka side ni 1 ke as our variable or 6 times 1 ke 6 6 is ka left or 3 minus 6 ke kae o tlo re therefore b is equals to 3 minus 6 and ke kae value ona b ke negative 3 aibo b ona b ke negative 3 wena ka miso of my negative 3 lo wena o batla ntse ya negative 3 when I can it's a term number 2 equal to 9 ke nyemo na 9 o ke nye 2 ya o but le b when ha go le equation ya rona here therefore tn our general term ke guy 6n minus 3 why bo this is our general equation kapo general term ne but wena nka ibitsa rule okay nine re rule this is our rule why bo rule ona jo is all this is our rule. I hope you can see it ne that's how we find a rule. I hope one fumana girl ne I hope one tall and to bua wabo now king happy shotang mo. Yes, I think for numeric pattern this is the simplest thing. Now if potso e batla find number c ne potso ya c ka be find t maybe find t3 find t5 term number 5 find term number 5. So out of my general equation now you just substitute where you see term number 5 the equation now I also find equation potso ya c potso la tela ntse go batla find t5 ke number c ne we batla t5 a ke re bona ke 5 mo n e ntshona ke tn a ke ena go ke 5 yo mini equation ya go bona n te ke nya 5 batla t5 wa bo ha re or t5 is equals to 6 times 5 minus 3 and then t5 rather find t5 ke by or 6 times 5 minus 3 and okay 6 times 5 30 minus 3 okay 27 why fuma I hope one told to give I hope one told to give you bua aussi why fuma na ge ha re ho geometric pattern which na ya go tlhalosetsa geometric pattern ka botlalo gona e mina e sebetsa jwang ne yes ha re ho geometric pattern now geometric pattern geometric pattern geometric pattern geometric pattern ya yo no jina I hope one told to give I'll see geometric pattern is so simple ne yona abo ba mbibita geometric sequence ba mbibita geometric sequence tlato yana mbibita be fi ba tla fi geometric sequence kapo pattern ha re pattern pattern geometric pattern very simple this one and straightforward geometric pattern papang bagenza numeric le geometric pattern ke hore numeric regionally constant constant difference ne and geometric yona difference papa against that is gore geometric it consists of constant ratio this is the difference between numeric and geometric. Now let's talk about constant ratio here. Geometric consists of constant ratio. Now what is a constant ratio now? So we want to change challenge. What is a constant ratio? Constant ratio ne I hope you go on. Constant ratio re bua ka same number being multiplied or divided to form the new sequence couple the new pattern. It will depend on how we want to answer. How same number being multiplied or divided to form the new sequence. Now if we 2, 6 and 18 if you have this kind of sequence same number being the very same number imagine as a difference go multiply divide it will depend on how but the simplest way is to divide in T2 divided by T2 divided by T1. I get T3 divided by T2. It's a major. Now, right, go to the T1 T2 and get T number 1 get 2 and T number 2 get 6 and T number 3 get 18. So now, T1 get 2 and T2 get 6 and then T3 get 18. Why what? T2 divided by T1. T2 get 6. Why what? T2 get 6. T1 get 2. And T3 get 18. Why what? T2 get 6. What can how? 6 divided by 2 you guys 6 divided by 2 get 3. Why what? 18 divided by 6 you guys get 3. Therefore, why that's one you constant by 3. Choose on term number 4, term number 5, up until term number 1000. And if manner 3, how divide the term into 2. One choice. I hope one choice. Therefore, our constant ratio it means the ratio is 2. Body is 2, 6 is to 2, 18 is to 6, the ratio is 0. So our constant ratio is 3. You can divide it. Now, if it's about the same number being multiplied, how explain your multiplication? You can if only 2 times 3 you get 6, 6 times 3 you get 18. That's where you get the multiplication part. But how ya left hand or divide? How ya right or multiply? 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 8. So guys, when we continue, we just found the constant ratio between these two terms, 3 and 3. This is our constant ratio for this one. Then number B will say find the general formula. Sometimes we will say nth term, nth term. Sometimes we will say find the general nth term. This thing is the same as saying find the rule. Find the rule. So how do you find a rule in this case? How do you find a rule in this case? So now, for geometric ratio, you know the rule is Tn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1. Then e r is 2. R is 3. Then you don't know your n. Okay? This is your general nth term. General formula. This is your rule. This is your rule. This is how you find a rule, guys. Then maybe the question number C will say find T4. Find T4 maybe. Find T4. Then say where you see n, put in 4 on your equation. Where you see n, put in 4. T4 is equals to 2 times 3. What is the value of 4? What is the value of n is 4 here. Minus 1 equal to 2 times 4 minus 3. 4 minus 1 is 3 here. Then 3 to power 3. You put this on a calculator. It's going to give you 54. If I'm not mistaken. If you put this on a calculator, guys. This is therefore T number 4 is equals to 54. Basically, T number 4 here is 54. This is our T4, T3, T2, T1. Hopefully, if I divide the 2, it's going to give me 3. Hopefully, I don't know. You can press the calculator properly. I'm not sure about the answer, so please press it properly to make sure that I'm correct. Now, let us do an example, guys. It is going to the last example for this two topics, like about two concepts that you're talking about, guys. Yes, and let's do an example. Here is an example. Here's an example. Here is a example. You must write it, guys. You must write example. Example. 6, 10, 14, 18. Then your first question will say number A. State the rule in words. State the rule in words. How will you state this rule in words? State the rule in words. How will you state the rule in words, guys? State the rule in words. I need to check about here. Is this pattern numeric or geometric? Is this pattern numeric or geometric? Is this pattern, guys, numeric or geometric? Is this pattern numeric or geometric? Can you please answer that question for me? Is this pattern numeric or, so if you can check this pattern, the 6, is 10, yes. It is 6, it is 10, 14, and we have 18. You need to test to put if this pattern is numeric or geometric. So now, here is a pattern here. You know, go to for geometric, you can say T2 minus T number 1, T3 minus T number 2, T4 minus T number 3, to find your constant difference. You can check for numeric, what is it correct or not. 10 minus 6, 4. 14 minus 10, 4. Okay? 18 minus 14, 4. That means we have our constant difference here. But here we just subtracted T number 2 minus T number 1. Is our 4. T number 3 minus T number 2 is our 4. T number 4 minus T number 3 equal to 4. Therefore, this is a numeric pattern. Okay? That's straightforward. And yeah, guys. Now, you need to state this rule in words. Okay? So you're going to say starting from adding. No, it's not this thing. So guys, apologies. So now the first question says could state the rule in words. It says the rule. How do you state a rule in words? We are basically describing for us to arrive to 10. How many steps did we walk from 6 to 10, from 10 to 14, from 14 to 8? That means how many times did we add Since this is a numeric, this is a numeric pattern, okay, guys. So we have adding 4 from the previous term, starting from 6. You add 4 from the previous term, starting from 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 8. That's how you describe a term. That's how you state the rule in weights. Now guys, number B. Number B, it says what is the constant difference? Remember, the moment you talk about constant difference, well, now you already know constant difference is a numeric pattern, therefore it's T2 minus T number 1 for T3 minus T number 10 for T4 minus T number 3 for you minus the therefore your constant difference is 4. Number C, write down the next 3 terms. Write down the next 3 terms. Write down the next 3 terms, guys. Write down the next 3 terms. We have a sequence. The sequence one is 6, 10, 14, 18, yeah. Blah blah. Now it means you need to find the next 3 terms. Basically, after 18, which terms should fall after 18? 3 terms that should fall. Okay? Now, in our rule, start adding 4 from the previous term. Starting from, it means we're gonna add 4 from the first term. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 4 is 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. You are done. That's how you find the next 3 terms on the sequence. Just add. You just use the rule to find the next 3 terms of the sequence. Are you with me? Yes. Number D. Determine the general rule or the nth. You will say general rule or the nth term or the general formula for this sequence. It's very simple, guys. How do you find the general rule or the general nth term of this sequence? You know the general formula for numeric is Tn is equals to An plus B. Yes. Now, what is the value of A? It's a constant difference, which is 4. A how? 4 plus B equal to Ta. You need to find B now. That's our aim. You have to make sure that our general formula has got values there. Yeah. Now, to find B, you need to take any term, or you need to use any term from the sequence. You can use term number 1, which is 6, term number 2, which is 10, term number 3, which is 14, term number 4, which is 18. Any term of your choice, you can use it. But then now we use term number 2, term 2, T2, keep by T2, get 10. Now, then now, I'm going to find T2 is equals to 4 multiplied by, what is the value of n here? Remember, T2 is Tn, it's the same as Tn. Now, where I see n, I put in 2. N2, N2, 2, 2, plus B. Then T2 you get 10. That means when I put in 10 on the left and say 4 times 2 is 8 plus B. Then you transpose this 8 to the left. We're going to have 10 minus 8 is equals to B. Therefore, B is equals to 10 minus this is 2. Level. Therefore, Tn is equals to 4n plus 2. This is our general rule for D. I hope you can hear me, guys. I hope you can literally hear me. I hope you can hear me on this one. Number E. Number E calculate the 10th. Calculate the 10th term. Find the 10th term. T10. Want to find T10. Basically, where I see n, I put in this 10 of mine on this equation. Where I see n here, I put in my 10. Level. So T10 is equals to 4 times n. 10 again. 10 plus 2 on our equation. Then 4 times 10 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Therefore T10 already 42. Here, there's 42 here. Term number 1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, then T8, T9, T10 is 42. I hope you can hear me, guys. Number F. Which term of the sequence is equal to 2, 4, 2? Which term of the sequence is equal to 242? Which term, which Tn, which term of the sequence, which Tn term of the sequence is equal to 2, 4, 2? Which Tn, guys? Can I tell me which term? It's when you say which term you want to find the value of n. Bravo. You want to find the value of n. Which term? Term is for n of the sequence is equal to 2, 4. That means what is the value of Tn? Is 2, 4, 2. So on the left, you're going to have 2, 4, 2. 2, 4, 2 is equals to term number is n again. When I have 4n plus 2, then I have to find solve for n. Solve for n again. Then I'm gonna have solve it. Okay. So I'm gonna transpose this 2 to the left here. We're gonna have 2, 4, 2 minus 2 is equals to 4n. Then 2, 4, 2 minus 2, you guys, 2, 4, 0 is equals to 4n again. Then divide both sides by 4. Therefore, n is equals to 2, 4, t divided by 4. What is the value of 2, 4 divided by 4? What is the value of 2, 4, t divided by 4? Guys, the answer is 60. 60. Our answer is 60. Therefore, you conclude. Therefore, a term 60 will equal 242. You are done. You're gonna get your answer. You're gonna get it right. and get it right. 3 marks for this question. This one is going to be 2 marks, substitution and answer. This one for finding B, you're going to get for B, substitution and writing it properly. This one you're going to get 3 marks, obviously. 1, 2, 3, and others. Thank you very much, guys. Let me just give you homework. You can work it out and send it on WhatsApp. Just give you a homework. You can wake up and you must provide answers on WhatsApp there. Yes. You must find it. You must get it on WhatsApp. You get it on WhatsApp. Get it on. You get it on WhatsApp, guys. You get it on WhatsApp. You get it on WhatsApp. Here's your homework. Homework 3, 6, 12, 24. Number A, determine the general term. Number B, calculate the 7th term. Number C, calculate the 20th term. Now for this one is going to be 3 marks. For this one is going to be 2 marks. 2 marks. So it's over 3 plus 2 is 5. It's over 7. 7 over 7. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you're going to enjoy your day. Let's meet on WhatsApp after this session. Thank you very much.